I'm back. They had to take the one label off. It was the battery label on the box. She goes, we don't need that. And she told me to hold on to the receipt because it had the tracking label. It was like $23 and some cents. So that has been done. And she said it should be there on Monday. So, but I'll keep track of the tracking number so I know when it gets there. Because she goes, is it fragile? And I said, yeah, it's a laptop. And she goes, yeah, you might want to put the insurance on it. Because I did wrap it up like they suggested. The box was a little bit bigger, but then we put the one piece of cardboard thing in around it, so it shouldn't flop around that much. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.